Introducing the Flex Trike for those looking to add a little stability in their lives. Where the Flex Trike really shines is in its flexible step-through design, adapting to changing needs over time, encouraging people of all ages to rediscover the joys of cycling. Boasting the lightest folding frame E-trike on the market, the versatile folding design allows for ease of transport. The unique rear hub differential axle provides power to both wheels, providing an efficient, smooth ride. With a large LED headlight and an extended range of up to 200 kilometers with the dual battery option, the Flex E-trike is an adventure machine offering the ultimate in ride quality and comfort. Perfect for your urban and wilderness adventures.